The beginning of 2025 saw median chicken wing menu prices drop a little lower than how they closed out 2024, at a high of $13.65. While we can't predict where pricing will go next, we do have insights on flavor trends. Wet wings are consistently popular, with buffalo as the classic pick. Then you've got the beloved barbecue and the savory favorite, garlic parmesan, plus the Asian-inspired teriyaki and sweet chili flavors. These are your reliable go-to options. There's also a lot of love for dry rubs like lemon pepper, salt and vinegar, and custom spice blends that offer bold taste without the mess. But the world of wings is constantly innovating. Expect to see more global flavor influences. Think gochujang, Thai coconut, and bright yuzu. Also on the rise are swalty and spicy combinations, unexpected fusions like maple with cayenne or honey garlic with jalapeno. And maybe the biggest surprise, mushrooms. From earthy umami glazes to even plant-based alternatives, mushrooms are finding their place on wing menus, catering to both flavor and wellness trends. What wing flavor do you think will be the next big hit? Share your thoughts in the comments below and subscribe for more insights.